Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, I think the past couple of days actually. So that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after a very nice move today, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update, though, does come about based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 765 as resistance. But now that the price is up above there, that would be one of the newest overall areas of support. From the big picture point of view, so if you're somebody that cares about definitely, kind of the broad time horizon of things, that's where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, if you care about the broad sense of things, the easiest way to look at the chart is that as long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in 100% control. They 100% own the chart. However, you can best visualize that. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? As far as resistance levels, definitely short-term wise, there appears to be the sellers have shown up right there at about $8.35. So $8.35 is, like I said, I would consider the shorter-term level. And then from more so the overall point of view, quite straightforward, just simply where the party stopped today during that first 30 minutes up there at 875. But before we start talking doing battle up at 875, bulls first have to prove themselves by getting back up above 835. All in all, though, definitely a very nice move over the past couple of days. Volume really kicked up today, so we'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.